Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to write fast information report to the officer in charge. Police station name, address, subject, application for lost motorcycle. Respected sir, with due respect, I want to bring to your notice the fact that I lost my Honda Shine 125 registration number OD17 AB4589 last evening. I parked my motorcycle at place name on date at around time. When I returned, I found that my motorcycle was missing. I searched for it nearby for half an hour but could not find it. I also asked some local people, but no one could give any information. I believe that my motorcycle has been stolen. Therefore, I kindly request you to register my complaint and take prompt action to find out my lost motorcycle, for which I shall be grateful to you. Yours faithfully. Your full name, date, एड्रेस। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना।